Docker ps means it will show me the running process state of running container, but it's showing me, see here, see the error during connect. This error may indicate that your docker daemon is not running, means my docker engine is not running. The time I was talking theoretical part, my docker engine is not running means, see, just need to double click here. Okay, just need to double click here, it will start. See, can you see the here starting the docker engine? Engine is underlying technology that runs on a container, that runs a container, sorry, that not on container, that runs a container. I was talking like this, right? See, end to end in case of docker, what is the, in case of docker what will be the thing here? In case of docker what we will have? In case of docker we will have hardware here. In case of docker we will have a hardware, then we will have operating system here, then we will have a docker engine, and we can run as many as container we want. Okay, this is the thing here. This is a hardware here, this is a software here, this is operating system, os here, hardware here, this is a hardware here, and this is a docker engine. This is the docker engine, and these are the containers. So docker engine, see what docker engine is going to do. Docker engine will do the virtualization actually. If I'm going more technical, docker engine will do the virtualization. If I know enable the docker engine, so it won't work, something like this. So see, it should be like this. This is a graphical user interface bay, GUI bay of using docker. Okay, so I can delete here, these are my already running containers. Okay, so I can delete here as well if I want. I'll show you another way of deleting as well, so you people can see here. I want you people to browse here, please go and browse here what is inside here, what you have. Volume, deb environment, these are my docker images. So see, this is running now. So if I check a docker hyphen hyphen version means it will show me the version. See, we are going to study each and everything in a docker here. So I want you people to understand this. Just go here, just go here, just keep some, put some word in your mind. So the time will learn something relevant to this, so you people can understand here. See, API version, what API version we are using, the time we'll write YAML file here, we have to write a YAML file here. The time we write YAML file here, we need to know what API version we are using. So where we can find from docker version. From, if I go to docker version, I can find API version here, go version here, this is my docker engines version here, each and everything. Now see, again, if I want to pull the image from here, let me go here. Now docker hub or docker registry. Docker registry is a place where we store our image. Okay, where we store our images. I want you people to create account here to go to hub.docker.com, create one account. This is something like creating Facebook account. It's not so complicated, just a normal credential you people need to add. So this is something like this in docker hub. In docker hub, see, we will have images. Okay, understood. So images, so I am talking about images. Also you people remembered actually what is the difference between images and container. See, these images, let me go again. See, these images will be in the form of these docker images will be in the form of layer. Okay, in the form of layer. What it will contain, layer means it will contain a OS, operating system, on the base, and after there will be a usually 9 to 11 layers. dependencies configuration file. You people no need to go very deep in this. And top layer will be application app, and that will be source code. Okay, app. Now you people understood what is this. Is not full fledged app, this is only a source code. Okay, source code here, dependencies configuration file, each and everything. Base will be a operating system, that is 5%. Actually we are going to use Ubuntu, Alpine. It depends upon requirement. Actually the build, from which application we can build, which operating system we can build, that we will use. So this is called image, and that will be in the form of template. This will be in the form of template. You can see template, right? Step by step, one by one above another. And if I do a docker run, then it will become a container of that respective application. Okay, so we can work inside, we can configure inside. If I am running a Python container, suppose this is an image of Python. Okay, this is an image of Python, and if I run this one as a container, then I can build the program here, I can run my Python app. This is the thing here. So see now, let me clear this. Or shall I increase the font size of my command prompt, or is it visible? Okay, so clear. Let me clear here. Yeah. See. Yes. Good question. See, see, in how, I'll tell you something. This is my Docker container. Okay, this is my Docker container, and this is my host OS operating system, or this. See, I told in this batch or another batch actually. See, 5% of the operating system will be here. 5% of OS, that is of Alpine, Ubuntu, or whatever. Docker doesn't contain any OS, but there is a 5% container here, 5% OS here, which is going to interact with this one actually. Okay, that is going to interact through a Docker engine. Some of the file will be there, 5% of file will be there. But don't talk in interview in front of everyone, because I told to another class actually who is taking interview in the IT industries actually, especially technical round. This will include in a technical round. Actually the team member, those will be around, they will have around 4 to 5 years of experience. They will not have a depth knowledge of these things. And they will start arguing with you. So please be aware. So don't talk. Docker will have a this Docker will have one OS operating system that is of 5% or something. Don't talk like this. But this is to make you people understand how interaction is going on. If you want to do more R&D or research and development on this, on you can go on Google and you can see on Google what is the thing here. Okay, so base image will be of operating system, that can be Alpine, Ubuntu. That is as per our application, whatever the application. If I have a Python, they will check the compatibility actually. And another thing, what I told you people as well, this doesn't depend upon any OS. So you can install the same image for Mac OS. You can install on Mac OS. You can install on Windows. You can install on Linux too. Okay, this is the thing here. So we cannot. We need a Docker engine actually to run directly. We cannot not run that on. Um, we need to run through engine. See, middleman is the engine. Actually, what is doing? No, let me go there. Let me go there first. This I kept for after giving command, but I have to show you now. This image and this one is okay. Yes, yeah. Let me download so I can you people can see clearly. Mm, this image is not effective. See, this is a Docker architecture. Can you see here? This is a Docker daemon. Just now I typed one command, Docker PS or whatever. They said Docker daemon is not running. This is a registry, this is a client. Who is a client? We, means we are using CMD, like command line prompt. This is a client. Okay, whatever we are giving input here, some kind of input we will give. Suppose I gave one input, Docker pull. I gave to a Docker, that will go to a Docker daemon, or Docker daemon means Docker engine, that will go. What Docker engine will do, he will see the images. Actually, he'll check the images whether these images are in locally or not. Okay, then if they are in locally, then after giving command docker run, we can run the container, and that will run inside a host. See, can you see here, host or engine? There will be engine, this will run here. And if these images are not here, then what we will do, we will pull the images from a registry, that is a docker hub. We will take the images, this docker daemon will take the images from a docker registry or docker hub, and he'll keep those images locally until and unless we know delete those images. Or this is the thing. And another thing, if I do a docker run from there, I can run the container of application, and after porting that, there is called another concept, there is another concept there, port mapping. After mapping those, I can run the application and I can perform the task as normal as I'm doing in the, like normal system, like normal laptop I'm doing. I can do this inside a container as well. This is the thing, actually this is the structure here. I'll pass you this one as well. I have a ppt here actually, so I'll pass you people this one as well. I have a 3 4 ppts actually. One I made, actually one I downloaded from another source, uh, had here. So this is the thing. Other than this, you want to ask something? So this is the thing, actually this is a beginning here. So see, so now what I'll do actually, okay, I was talking now, please follow this one. Okay, this is my image. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give a docker pull. Now understand this architect. Let me do the docker pull. Okay, I'm doing docker pull for any application. Let me go for alpine. I did for alpine. See, using default tag latest. Tag means version. The time you see any word tag means version. Actually version is the latest version here. See, he pulled the image. How I can check docker images? I can see the docker images here. Okay, see, I downloaded, I pulled, not downloaded. Actually this is a different terminology. Alpine version latest. See, you people can say I pulled just now, but it created, see, it's showing like 12 days ago. This image is created, it's not created actually. We are talking about version, right? So whatever the versioning they have done this 12 days ago. Versioning means this is created long time back, but versioning, slight modification of previous build. Definition of versioning actually. So see, if I do a docker run, let me give the docker run of alpine. Now I can see the image running here. See, I won't see here. If I won't see any error here, that means my image is running. See, docker, if I check a docker ps process state, if my image is running, if my container is running, I will be able to see here. Okay, if I do a docker ps, I will be able to see here container id, image, and each and everything I will be able to see here. Okay, but see, notice the change here, docker ps hyphen a. Just now what I said, if my container is running, this will be shown here, but it's showing with the docker ps hyphen a. What docker ps hyphen a will do, it will show me the running plus exited container. Okay, now you people might have one doubt here. I did docker run alpine, I run the containers, right? So it should show here. Why it's showing here? So technicality is, so see, the time I'll do a docker run alpine image, automatically it will create the container, and at the same time it will exit the container. Okay, so docker run alpine command, what docker run command will do, it will create the container, and at the same time it will it will exit the container. You people can see here exited about a minute ago. And notice each and everything here. What we have: container id, this is a container id here, this is a image name here, this is a command, this is a shell here, created about a minute ago, status is exited a minute ago, this is a name. Naming is our choice or other. If we are not giving name to that particular running container, see we are running, see another thing, we are running our container, we are running container from our image, and that container is our container, right? We are running that container. Don't think like, okay, we are running a alpine container and name will be alpine. Okay, we are running different container, that is locally. Actually, to remember us, we can write a name here. Okay, this is the thing here. In day and day out, we are not going to use this command, actually docker run command. Okay, this is just for a demonstration. Okay, see now, if I want to see the docker images, if I want to see the docker images, okay, yeah, docker image is okay, docker run is okay, docker ps hyphen a is okay. See, by typing docker images by this command, you people can see the list of the images. Image will have a image id, okay, repository name, this and that. Okay, and another thing, if I want to name this, if I want to name this image, see automatically this name is taken. Okay, Sirene Fairley. So docker run, so I, what I can do, hyphen hyphen name. Okay, whatever the name you people want to give, I gave xyz, and we are running container of what, alpine. In docker and kubernetes, you people need to be, you people need to learn how to write the command. Don't try to remember the command. Okay, see, if I want to name hyphen hyphen name, I name this one xyz. I am running container from alpine, and I am running the container, I am running through a docker. Okay, let me check, let me see here. Let's see what will happen now. Again, now docker ps hyphen a. Now you people should understand, if I do a docker process state means it won't show me something, it won't show me anything. Now see, I renamed this, I renamed this one, and I can see the image here. What happened? Don't worry, for you this is a demo class, Mr. Patil. Okay, this is a high end class, actually docker kubernetes. Okay, this is just to show you people. Okay, so see, docker ps hyphen a. Okay, and see now my container is running. Actually, see my container, if I want to delete those container, if another, so what is the, what do you understand from this actually? Okay, I run the container and automatically it is exited. Okay, you people might think, okay, automatically it's getting exited, so how we are going to use this? See, this is not, container are not consuming hardware resources, and now see, not can say hardware resources, not consuming resources. Actually, at the same time, what docker is doing, what container, what docker is doing, docker is creating container here. See, docker is creating container, I did docker run. What I did here, I did a docker run here. Okay, the time I did docker run, it created a container here, at the same time it exited. That meant it used the resources from here, and after if no, after creating, automatically it returned back that to a host os, that to a host, not os, that to a host. Okay, so let me check, if I want to delete those, if I want to delete the images, then see, docker rmi, docker rmi to delete the image container id. I can write, I can copy full container id, or either I can copy two or three. That is, or see now, see, no such image. Oh, I'm taking a docker id actually. See, let me do the docker images. See, these are my images. So docker rmi. See, conflict will be there. Why? Why there is a conflict? Why I am not unable to, why I am not able to delete the image? Because see, I have created image, I have created container from this image, means this image is being used by my container. Okay, so what I have to do, so I am not able to delete this. So what I have to do, I have to delete the container. So I'll show you another thing as well. Docker rm, docker rmi to delete the container images. Okay, docker images. So docker rm to delete the container. This is my container id, alpine. Okay, intentionally I am showing you people conflict so you people will understand. See, here I am able to delete. If I am using this container, if this is my running container, okay, notice, if this is my running container, I won't be able to delete this as well. So what I need to do, see, let me show you people another command. So I am able to delete this one. See, let me show you the docker ps if hyphen a. Okay, I am able to delete this one. See, there is no this one here. So let me do the docker rmi again to show you people how to delete the image. This is my image id. With the image id, see, whatever the, whatever the task you people are doing with the image id, you can do with the name as well. Okay, whatever the thing we are doing with the container id or image id, we can do with the name, but in case of image id there won't be a name. In case of container there will be a name. So in place of rmi, in case of rmi I cannot do that. In case of container I can delete. See, I can delete from here. See, this is deleted one. This got deleted. Now see, can you see here? Okay. See another thing. What I, yeah, Prakash, is it visible now? See, many actually, I posted some of the ad in a Facebook. Actually, I got call from many people. You know, they want to learn Docker Kubernetes. They don't know ABCD about this. You know, DevOps. Some of them are from non-technical background. So what I notice one thing, actually, people are getting attracted by the packages. They don't want to learn the technology. Actually, see, for fresher, it will take a lot of time to learn Docker and Kubernetes. Seriously speaking, if you try to grab, you know, you people need to understand the, you know, what we are doing here. Not like, you know, okay, I'm doing ps or something like that, you know, not like that. You people need to see what we are doing here actually, you know, where we are going. We are creating application, or what we are doing, what kind of thing we are doing actually. Then people will understand. Otherwise it's easy, it's very easy. But for someone who never worked in IT, you know, for them it will be directly them, for them it will be very difficult. I'm talking about them, I'm not talking about you people actually. So see, docker ps hyphen a. So like this I will be able to see. See, in end to end we are not going to use that command. As I said, we are going to use the docker run. I am going to do this one like that, this way. It interactive terminal, I can write like this, I can write like this as well. Okay, so hyphen hyphen name, if I want to give hyphen hyphen name, I can give a demo. I can give a demo. This is the name of the container. Let me type the container as well. Demo container. Avoid taking writing long names actually. So you have, because you people need to write again and again. So avoid taking long names. So interactive terminal, and I was talking about Alpine now. Please notice one thing. Let me delete the image first. Let me delete the image first. Let mm, check here. This, see, docker rmi and my image. This is my alpine image, right? So see, untagged, deleted. If I check a Docker RMI, Docker images, I will be able to, I won't be able to see the image. Okay. Docker run -it hyphen name I am giving a demo. So that is a Alpine. Now see, I am showing you people something here. See, now I know have image here locally. Okay. In front of you just now I deleted this image in front of you. I know have an image here. What this command will do? What this will do? Docker, what Docker run it will do? It will go to the Docker hub. It will fetch that image from the Docker hub, and it will bring this one locally. Okay. It will download here. It will run the container, and we are inside container. So we are going to use this command day in and day out. So we are inside container now. We are not on a command prompt now. Okay. If I check ls means I can see my container inside, right? This is my container id. Okay. So we are going to use this command actually, it interactive terminal. So hyphen name demo alpine. See, alpine image was not here, right? So here we are. So we can do, see, this is going to, we can work inside, right? See, in end to end we will have a file here. Okay. Temp means temporary file. I'll share one, did I share? Let me share one, I think I need this one too. So let me uh, share this to, okay, otherwise I might forget. Okay. See, these are the file system. Okay, you people need to have idea about what is the file system here. The people who know linux, they will have idea, and people who know docker and kubernetes too, they will have idea as well. So see, if I want to create something here, let me create something. Let me go to the cd temp, which is a temporary folder, temporary file. If I check inside ls here, there is nothing here. That's something like this. We are going to, this is a container, this is my container actually. Volume is storage, we are going to configure here. Files we are going to configure here. Each and everything we are going to configure here. So this is the thing here. See, if I check ls here, demo means I can create a file here. Anything we can create here. Okay. So if I want to exit from here, I can exit from here as well. So see, this is the thing here. So day in day out we are going to use this command, docker run it name demo alpine. Okay. This is the thing here. And let me clear. So docker ps, if I check a docker ps docker process state, it won't show me. Okay. So if I do a docker ps hyphen a, see, it will show me exited 30 second 37 34 second ago. Now see, this is exited container now. Okay, this is a exited container now. So how I can start this? If I want to run this container, okay, what I need to do, I need to do a docker start and container id, control v. See, now if I check a docker ps, now see, can you see the difference here? What I did, docker start, who is not in mute actually, can you mute yourself, is Santosh? Mute. So see, actually see, what is the thing here? What is the thing here? See, I check the process state here. This container is not running. PS hyphen a, this was the exited container. The time I'll do a docker start, it will run the container, and it will run as long as I won't stop. Okay. It will run as long as I won't stop. If I do a docker start means it won't run. It will run as long as I won't stop this one. Okay. So to stop this, docker stop, and whatever the name or either container id. Okay. This is the thing here. Okay, this is the thing here. If people can check here, docker ps now. See, it's not showing now. If I do a docker ps hyphen a, okay, this is the thing here. So tomorrow we are going to, okay, that's enough for today, I guess. So tomorrow we are going to discuss about the port mapping. So how is the, what is the port mapping, what kind of this thing is this? So port mapping means mm, so what I'm going to do, actually I have here, there is my, I have a documentation too, actually. I'm not passing this yet. I need to check this as, I need to alter something, actually. I'll pass you people documentation as well. So see, if you people want to delete here, you people can come here and you people can delete here. Okay. So see, now you people can see here, I won't be able to delete because this image is being used by another running container. Okay, another container, so I won't be able to delete. So you people need to go to a command prompt and you people need to stop the container, then afterward delete the container, and then afterward you people can delete the image. Okay, any question, anything you want to, you people want to ask? So see, what I want from you people, I want from you people, please send me the email ID. That is a personal message. Don't send me on a group. Send me on personal message. Okay, your email ID, and I'll send you people link. Actually, I'll upload all the video, each and every class videos on my YouTube, and you people can access from there. That won't be public. That will be private. So with that same email ID only, you people will be able to access that. Okay, that will be free. And after I'm going to give you people, see, this is this I have, actually, but I need to alter, actually. I need to alter some of, so for that I need 1 to 2 days. So I'll pass this to you people. But and if you people are not understanding, so don't worry. Actually, at the time of project, the time I'll teach you people project, you people will understand this 100%. But just try to think, back of the head, actually, what we people are doing here. Okay. Okay, guys, take care of yourself. Enjoy your day. Okay. Any question? Do you want to ask something? Thank you.